Requirements: a registered version of Global Mapper version 20 or newer. Access to the data files noted below. A folder on your desktop called My Maps in which you can save any files or exported layers. No previous experience with Global Mapper is necessary. Data. All data files used in this lesson are available in the following link. Objective. In the following scenario, we will simply import a shapefile, the most common vector spatial file format, and explore some of the data and file management components in Global Mapper. Launch Global Mapper and on the introductory screen, click the Open Data Files button. Browse the following location. Global Mapper Data Lesson 1 Main Towns. Select the maintowns.shp file and click the Open button. After importing a file, Global Mapper reads the data from its original location, so if the source file is deleted, moved, or renamed, it will no longer be displayed in the map window. In order to preserve the current map view, we will save a workspace file. From the File menu, choose Save Workspace or use the Ctrl+S keyboard shortcut. Name the file main and save it in the My Maps folder on your desktop. We will now explore some of the basic tools in Global Mapper. From the Tools toolbar at the top of the screen, click the Feature Info button. Move your cursor over the map and click on a polygon. Note the Feature Information dialog box listing all of the attributes and other information about the selected town. This dialog box can be enlarged by clicking and dragging any of the corners. When finished, close this dialog box. And click the Feature Info button again to disable the tool. If it is not already displayed, open the Control Center. This can be done using the File toolbar Control Center button or by using the Alt-C keyboard shortcut. Within the Control Center, uncheck the checkbox next to the maintowns.shp layer. Note the layer disappears from view. Check the checkbox again next to maintowns.shp. Notice the layer now reappears. Right-click on Main Towns and choose Metadata. Note the displayed information pertaining to the selected layer. When finished, close this dialog box. Finally, in this introductory section, we will learn several ways to zoom and pan the map view. Select the Zoom tool from the navigation toolbar. Position your cursor at a point on the map, click and hold your left mouse button and move the cursor down and to the right to create a zoom box. Release the mouse and map will redraw to encompass the extent of the box. Move your cursor to any edge of the map and when the arrow appears, click once to pan the map in that direction. If your mouse has a mouse wheel, use the wheel to zoom in and out. In the toolbar, click the Home button to zoom to the full extent of all loaded data. Click the adjacent Restore button to return to the previous view. Another way to zoom and navigate within the main map view is the Overview map. Open the Overview map by selecting the Overview map button in the File toolbar. Within the Overview map, the following options are available. Left button click and drag draws a zoom rectangle. Left click centers the active view at the coordinate under the mouse pointer. Right click brings up the Overview map options window. Close the Overview map. Save your workspace.